Hi, and welcome to our first wrap-up video. My name is Harry, and today I will be covering some of the enhancements that we have released in July and August. Many of these enhancements will improve your business productivity and efficiency by reducing manual processes, introducing automation, and streamlining workflows. We have you to thank for these enhancements. Your continued feedback helps us focus our efforts on the enhancements and features that matter most. Let us know what you think about these enhancements by using the Rate This Enhancement button. We really appreciate your feedback. Create warehouse transfers via the API. If you have warehouse transfers in your workflows, this will create some automation that will assist in your order fulfillment. With this enhancement, your integration partner or developer can now connect their interface with Unleashed and use our API to create warehouse transfer transactions for you. Serial and batch numbers added to the doc designer. You can now display product serial numbers along with batch numbers and their expiry dates on the sales orders, sales invoices, and pick list documents in the document designer. This is going to make these documents look much more user-friendly. Having a combined pick list, for example, with all these details about those products is going to make it much easier for the warehouse team to pick and pack. Bulk print 3PL templates from the data exporter. If you use 3PLs, then this enhancement will allow you to save time and remove manual work when emailing those partners. You can use a previously created data exporter template to export a document that will assist you in the fulfillment of those orders. International Commerce Codes. If you export your products, you will like to have a look at this feature. The International Commerce Codes stores and reports on custom-compliant product information. This means that you can now create customs invoices in Unleashed. This feature is going to save your operations teams a lot of time and also improve your data accuracy. Auto-assign serial and batch numbers when creating shipments. You may already know that you can auto-assign serial and batch information on sales invoices. You can now do the same for sales shipments. This is perfect if you have an integration with Shopify or Magento, as you will not have to manually assign those as the orders start to come through into Unleashed. Export purchase order data. No need to do workarounds for purchase order reporting. We have created this enhancement that will automate this for you. Simply create a new template in the data exporter to further report on your purchase order data. This works the exact same way as the sales orders and sales shipments templates. Edit source and destination warehouse for parked assemblies. You can now change the source or destination warehouse in your assemblies, giving you better flexibility when tracking your production process. This is great if your business deals with sub-assemblies, if you track the production across multiple sites, or if you use multiple warehouses for different stages in production. This is going to greatly improve your visibility over your assemblies while supporting your existing process. This wraps up our July and August enhancements, but we have many others coming soon, including multiple units of measure, multiple shipments from different warehouses, and bulk attachment upload. Remember, you can always read about our latest enhancements and more in the Features Enhancements page. And while you're there, don't forget to let us know what you think by clicking on the Rate This Enhancement button. We really appreciate your feedback. And see you on the next wrap-up video.